Assalamu alaikum students. Today we'll handle compound sentences through variety of examples and definition of a compound sentence. Compound sentences. In this lesson we'll cover compound sentences and how to create them by joining two or more independent clauses together. Compound sentences differ from other sentence types, and if you leave out their joining elements you turn them into run-on sentence. We need to learn the basic criteria of a compound sentence and how to join the clauses in order to make a proper compound sentence and in order to avoid this issue of run-on sentences. What are compound sentences? Compound sentences are sentences that have independent clauses and conjunctions. It means that independent clauses are joined together and through conjunction. That might seem a bit complicated. Is it difficult for you? Think of compound sentences like a grilled cheese sandwich. Yes, that's yummy. Think about a grilled cheese sandwich where the slices of bread of the compound sentences are the independent clauses. So the two slices are independent clauses and the gooey cheese of the sandwich is a conjunction. Fine? Wow, that's yummy. So it's giving you some idea about the compound sentence. Yes, these two breads, just take them as independent clauses and the cheese between them. This is the conjunction, which is very important part of your compound sentence, right? The bread of the compound sentence is the substance of the sandwich. It has the ideas that the writer needs to express. The melty cheese of the grilled cheese sandwich, the conjunction holds the ideas together. Without the conjunction, you would just have two unrelated ideas separate from one another. So, conjunction is very important. Remember this point. Let's recall some information related to independent clauses and conjunctions. You are well aware an independent clause has a subject and a simple predicate and talks about one topic. Basically, an independent clause is a simple sentence. Independent clause is also called a simple sentence. Let's take a second to check out a few examples of independent clauses right now. For example, the softball player hit a home run. Here you can see there is a subject, softball player, and then predicate, hit a home run. It means that there is a subject predicate combination and there is a complete thought. It means it's a complete sentence, or in other words, it's an independent clause. Next, strawberries are a good source of vitamin C. Now strawberries, this is subject, are a good source of vitamin C. Now this is predicate. Again, subject predicate combination plus complete thought makes it an independent clause. Okay, let's move. And finally, your book report is due next week. Now here your book report subject is due next week, predicate, another good example of independent clause. All these sentences or independent clauses talk about, remember, a single idea, have a subject, simple predicate, have no additional clause. So this was one independent clause or one sentence. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are the parts of speech that connects ideas together. They are very important part of speech and they connect our ideas together. They can combine words or group of words together in a sentence. So coordinating conjunctions which we need in compound sentences. Yes, you remember that famous FANBOYS? These are common conjunction and, but, or, yet, nor, so, for. So we need any of this conjunction for our compound sentences. You want to use compound sentences when you want to connect two ideas together, but you don't think they should be separated into two sentences. So actually what you are doing, you are combining two sentences together. You think that these two sentences separately are not serving the purpose, so it's better to combine these two sentences. The meaning should be similar and express a single thought. It means that both the sentences should have connection in term of thought and idea. Both of them should convey same type of thought. Let's check out a compound sentence. You can see here, I wanted to go swimming. I, subject, wanted to go swimming, predicate. So this is one independent clause, comma, but, coordinating conjunction. It was too chilly outside. It, subject, was too chilly outside. Now this is predicate. Another complete independent clause. So now two independent clauses are joined together through coordinating conjunction but and comma, and it gave us a compound sentence, right? In this case, the writer wanted to connect the ideas together, so using the conjunction but and the comma before it allows the sentences to join. You could have given these sentences separately, but it was more appropriate at this point to combine these two sentences together to make the compound sentence. And of course, you should not keep writing individual sentences all the time, right? Compound sentence can be a good choice. Here are some other examples of compound sentences. German shepherds are known to be intelligent dogs. So now this is one independent clause where German shepherds, subject, are known to be intelligent dogs is predicate, and then there is complete thought as well. It means this is one independent clause which is joined with so. Many police departments use them in their and in units. It means that now this is another independent clause. So two independent clauses are joined together through the conjunction. So this sentence is joined together with a comma and the conjunction. So the wind gusted at high speeds, semicolon, the boats rocked back and forth. So here we have joined two independent clauses through semicolon. It means that you have a choice whether you can put coordinating conjunction or you can join two independent clauses through semicolon. This sentence is also a compound sentence, but how is it different? It is connected with the semicolon instead. Okay, now that we have learned all that, let's take a second or two to review what we have learned. Compound sentences have two independent clauses and express a related ideas. Both the sentences would express a related, similar idea. Independent clauses have a subject and a simple predicate and can stand alone as a sentence. When joining two independent clauses to make one compound sentence, you can use a comma and a conjunction, which is the part of speech that connects idea together, or a semicolon. So you have two choices. For questions, please comment below. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next lecture with some other good topic. Until then, bye.